Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA One in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to change the battery of this remote door control. In this case, we are going to use this digital multimeter to measure the inside battery of this control to know if the battery has or not enough energy. In this case, we are going to test if this control is working or not. Let me see. Like we are watching, the light is very low, like we are watching. This means we need to change the battery. The first step is open the control. Use this tool to open the control. This is very easy. In this case, we only need to open, moving this point, and open the control. Be careful and put that in that place. And this introduce in this way. Introduce, okay. And now take and put in that place. Now this is the battery. In this case, this control use two batteries, like we are watching. And put this that place. Now the next step is read the information. In this case, this is a battery type CR2016 lithium battery. The voltage is 3 volts. The important information here is the voltage for set up this digital multimeter. This is very easy. Like these are batteries. In this case, we are going to choose direct current voltage. In this case, that is this. This mode starts here and finish in this point. These are voltage limit. In this case, we are going to choose 20 volts because 20 volts is higher than 3 volts. And therefore, we can measure the voltage from 0 volts to 20 volts. Move the selector and choose 20 volts, like we are watching on the digital multimeter screen. Now our digital multimeter is ready to measure the battery voltage. In this case, take one battery, and this side is the positive and this side is the negative. This is the positive and this is the negative from the digital multimeter. In this case, touch here and touch here. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, this battery has 3.02 volts. This means this battery needs more energy. We need to replace the battery. We need to change this battery for the new one. Let's test the other battery. Touch the positive in this side and the negative in the other side. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching 3.01 volts. This battery is damaged. We need to use a new one battery. Take this. And now we are going to open new battery. In this case, I have two new batteries here. The same model, CR2016, both. And let's to open these batteries now. We have two new batteries here. This is new and this is new. Let's to measure with the digital multimeter to know how many volts has. Let me see, the positive is this and the negative is this. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we have 3.22 volts. This means this battery is full of charge, is new, is good. We can use this battery. Now let's measure the other battery. Touch here in this side and touch here and watch the digital multimeter screen. 3.22 volts. This means this battery is good. Now let's put this in the same way. Take one and put in this position. Now introduce the two batteries in this position, like we are watching. Now take the control motherboard and introduce the battery here perfectly in this way. Now take this and introduce, let me see, okay, in this way, introduce perfectly. Now introduce this here and now put this to close. Press, and now press the key. Yeah, now is in excellent condition. Now the control is working correctly. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel, SosaNasa1 in English, and share this video. Give me a like. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel SosaNasa1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.